Hi viewers, in this problem 8 minus 5 gives us 3, and in the premises a minus 5 again gives us 3, and here we have multiplication, so 3 into 3 is equal to 9. But this is the wrong answer to this problem, because we all know that according to the math rule of operation PEMDAS, first of all, we have to do premises, then exponents, then multiplication and division with equal priority, and then addition and subtraction with equal priority, but we have to move from left to right. So in this problem, first of all, we'll do this premises, which will give us 8 minus 5, 3. Here we have multiplication and 1 subtraction. 8 minus 5 multiplied by 3. Now we all know that multiplication has the higher priority than this subtraction, so we'll do this multiplication before this subtraction. 5 into 3, 15. 8 minus 15 equal to minus 7, and this is our right answer to this problem. Hit like button if you enjoyed the video, and never forget to subscribe my channel The Math Habit.